up.
Very good, Maka. Up, cup. Very good. Rohita.
Yes,
Rohita.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Anu.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this word?
Bun.
Very good, Rohita. Ba and bun. Very good. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Bus.
Very good. Ba as good. Darshika. Darshika. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. What is this word?
Bat.
At.
Good morning. Good morning, Manila.
Yeah, good morning, Ma. Janavi. Answer this, Janavi. What is this, Janavi?
Jar.
Very good, Janavi. Jar, jar. Diction is there. Diction is there. Diction.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, answer diction.
In bin.
What is it?
Bin.
Ba in bin. Danvin. Danvin, Devkrish, anyone is there?
Good morning, Vella ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Danvin, read this word. What is this? Danvin.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Audio issue, ma'am. Just now joined, ma'am.
My audio is not audible.
Now it's audible, ma'am.
Okay. What is this word, Ma? Read it out. Pot. Very good. Good. Devkrish. Devkrish. Devkrish is not there, huh? Devkrish, come on, read this. Read this word. Very good. Ba at bed. Good. Next is Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read this word.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who's that, Ma? Karthikeyan, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Ma. Nukshita, what is this?
What is that? ET. Yes, ET at. No. N sound it.
At net.
Very good. At net. Very good. Farnas,
Yes, ma'am.
come on.
Big.
Very good. Ba egg big. Karthikeyan.
Fig.
Ba egg fig. Well done, Ma Karthikeyan. Next, who else I didn't ask? Everyone, you got the chance? Darshika, Devkrish, Danvin, Farnas, Hashni.
Yes.
Everyone got your chance?
Vishang.
Vishang.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. Read this word.
M A N. An.
An is an. This one?
Man.
Very good. And man. Very good. Zeddy joined. Zeddy. Lakshana. No one, huh? Okay. Okay, children, I want you to take your English notebook and write alphabet A to Z, small letters, and then circle the vowels. Come on, do it fast. We'll start the assessment. Write today's date. Today's date is 2/9/29-3-21/21. A to Z alphabet, small letters. Write fast, write today's date and write. Write fast, children. Finish, Madangan. Circle the vowels.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Danvin. Very good.
Okay.
Very good, Amma. Who finished? Ashni. Very good, Ashni.
KL.
L.
ஐயோ இங்க எல் போடு எல் போட்டு
L போடு.
Janvi finished the vowels, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Janvi.
எல்
M. M. சொல்லுங்க இது. M கிட்டா. அதே ஆளுகிறா.
என்
M க்கு அப்புறம் N போடு. M போட்டு M க்கு அப்புறம் N போடு. சொல்லுங்க இதுமா.
என்
ம்.
finish finished ma'am.
Yeah, very good, children. Good. Very good, Ma Tarnika. Very good, Dev Krish. Finished, everyone. I want everyone to finish.
Be nice
Come on, Rashka.
DJ.
Very good, Devan.
Finish ma'am.
Good, Ma. Nikhila, good. Parnas, finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Satvika.
Jessica, finish, ma'am.
Lakshana, are you writing, Lakshana?
Farnas.
Yeah, Parnas, good ma.
மேம் ரைட்டிங் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க வந்து
Ma'am, Pranita.
Pranita, finish. Good, Pranita. Everyone has finished, sir?
மேம் என்ன ரைட்டிங் மேம்
A to Z, Good, Rohita. Good, Rohita. Good night. That is something you told me. Lakshana, mute yourself.
I'm finished.
Yeah, good, ma, Dikshan. Darshika, finish. Darshika.
Finish, ma'am.
Lakshana, don't unmute yourself, my echoing.
மேம் என்ன ரைட்டிங் மேம்
Time ஆயிடுச்சு, இப்ப எழுத சொல்ல வேண்டாம், விடுங்க. Kavya, any finish? Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Darshika, finish.
எஸ் மேம்
Yes, finish, ma'am.
Finished. Okay, good. Devkrish, Dhanvin, Dikshan, Parnas, Hashni. Jana, you finish?
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Vowels and she's writing, mingling and she's writing, ma'am. Capital letters and small letters, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Karthikeyan. Nukshita. Good, Karthikeyan. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, hope everyone have finished. Keep your note aside, close and keep your notebook aside. We'll start the session, okay? Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Ma'am is going to say Kidzi anthem today, okay? Join your hands and close your eyes. Kidzi anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wing beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Please open your eyes. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Let's start with the action rhyme, okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. And you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Happy and you know it, what will you say? I love you.
Love you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay, next time you can see roly-poly. Ready for roly-poly? Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly, down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly, left, left, left. Roly-poly, roly-poly, front, front, front. Roly-poly, roly-poly, back, back, back. Roly-poly, roly-poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly-poly, roly-poly, short, short, short. Roly-poly, roly-poly, big, big, big. Roly-poly, roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly, roly-poly, fat, fat, fat. Roly-poly, roly-poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly-poly, roly-poly, slowly, 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 slowly. Roly-poly, roly-poly, fast, 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 fast. Very good, well done. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Darshika, Darshika, Dev Krish, Danvin,
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan,
Yes, ma'am.
Parnaz,
Yes, ma'am.
Vashini,
Here I am, ma'am.
Janavi,
Yes, ma'am. Mama.
Karthikeyan, Karthikeyan. Okay, marking you Karthikeyan. Kavyani,
Here I am, ma'am.
Hightech,
Yes, ma'am.
Mukshita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Pranita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Rita,
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
Mithila,
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, Dharmika,
Here I am, ma'am.
Ishan,
Cheers.
Ishan,
Yes, ma'am.
Ivan, Vidyut, Vidyut,
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut,
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshana,
Here I am.
Here I am, ma'am.
okay children. Okay, we'll start again. Ma'am, can you please send the link to me? Yeah, I marked you, Ma Karthikeyan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send the link, ma'am? As usual, the link will be posted in that chat box. You can open it. Children, I'll be reading the question. Do it one by one on your own. Okay? All the best, children. Okay, read it carefully and do it. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Posted, you can open it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome, Ma Parnas. Link has been posted. You can open it.
Ma'am, could you please post the link once again, ma'am?
Once again, huh? Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, can you please post the link one more time, ma'am? Is it opening for everyone? Shall we start, children? Children, I'll read the question for you. Do it on your own, okay? First, type your name. Here in this place, type your name. First question, shall we move on to the first question? Name the given image. Pin, pen, pot. Pick the correct answer. Second one, name the given image. Words are given below. Check it. Third one. Fourth one. Look how the tea or coffee is in that cup. How is it? And then, what are you going to spread it in that jam? Sorry, in that bread. Sixth one. Only options you are going to click. You can do it on your own, children. Seventh one. You very well know the picture, children. Just check for the spelling and then click the correct answer. Next picture, eighth one. Ninth one. 10th one. Have you all finished till 10th one? Very good. Now the 11th one. Rearrange the given sentence. Already taught you, children. Read the sentence carefully and then click the correct answer. This is bag. This is a bag. This a bag. Which is the right answer? Click the right answer. 12th one. My big is car. My car is big. My car big. Thirteenth one. Tarnika, read the 13th one option, ma. Tarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
read the 13th option.
13th.
I like to play.
10 and first padi.
One.
Like to I play.
Okay, very good. Which is the right answer? Click it, okay? 14th one, Farnas. Read the options. Farnas. there. Okay, Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
14th one option. Read the 14th option.
Wait. In the letter. In the sentence.
Just read it out. That's it. You can do the answer. later. My ball that is.
Next one. இது என்ன sentence இது?
All ball.
வாய்க்கு அடுத்து என்ன இருக்குது கிருஷி? இது என்னது?
That is my ball. That
correct
is
sentence என்ன
ball.
வரும்?
This is the correct answer. Click the correct answer. Then we'll read the 15th option, ma. Then when
Go to the park.
second option,
We go park.
third option,
We go to park.
we go to park is there, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
We to go park. Okay. Hashini, finished, ma? Till 15th, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
What picture is this, Hashini?
Hat. Laptop. Cap.
You have to find the missing letter. Okay. Initial sound.
CC cap. CC
Okay,
cap.
thank you. Don't leak the answer. Thank you. Next picture. Write the missing letter. 18th one. Initial sound only. If you find out the initial sound, you can easily click the correct answer. Twentieth one. 21st. Here you are going to click the diagram. You have learned 4 diagrams. Okay. Cha, ta, sh, and ing. So see which diagram sound do you hear in this picture, and then click the correct diagram. Cha means CH, ta means TH, ing means NG, and then sh means SH. Okay. First is chair. Which diagram you have to click? Click the correct answer. Second is sheep. King. Tree. The final one, cherry. Once you finish, submit. Okay? Has everyone finished? Everyone has finished. Okay, Danvin next.
Ashini.
Ashini next.
Finish.
Very good. Okay, one by one in the attendance order, we are going to check for the answers. Okay, are you all ready? Everyone has finished, then only we'll check the answers. Those who have finished, type your names in the screen.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, ma. Vivan, Karthikeyan, Ritvik, Dikshan finish, Naitik finish, finish. Good, Hashni good,
Doing, ma'am.
good. Devkrish good, Nitila good.
Now, Upachapu,
Rohita finished, good.
enjoyed a lot, Rohita.
Did you all do it on your own, children, or your parents helped you?
Okay.
Everyone did it on your own?
I'm on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. For whom parents help? Someone tell me genuinely.
Yes, ma'am.
For Vidyut ma'am.
For Vidyut, okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Good mark, Kavyani, good. Everyone
Kavyani
finished. Okay, let's
Kavyani
check the
facing
answer.
difficulty on rearranged words, ma'am.
Sorry?
She's facing difficulty on rearranged words.
I can't hear you. She is
Facing difficulty on rearranging words, ma'am.
rearranging the sentences. That's
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I read the sentences also. They must hear which is the correct sentence and they must click for the options.
Oh.
Even if it is wrong, also no issues.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we'll go for the answers, children. First one, Darshika. Darshika, what is the first answer?
Pot.
Pot. Which is pot spelling here? P-I-N, P-E-N, P-O-T. Anyone has attended for 2 times?
You.
25 responses are. Which is the spelling for pot? Only 20 responses.
O-P. Pot.
Okay. Who else didn't submit? Come on, do it fast. Okay. The next one, Dev Krish. What is the spelling for fan? Spelling for fan. Spelling. F-A-T-A. Very good, Dev Krish. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the spelling for car? C-A-N, C-A-R or C-A-P? Which is the correct answer?
C-A-R.
C-A-R. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Next is Danven.
Hot.
Huh?
Hot.
Spelling. H-A-D, H-O-P or H-O-T?
Spelling. சொல்லு பண்ணல சொல்லு.
Okay, I'll keep this answer, okay? H-O-P, hot, correct?
H-O-P.
H-O-P, hot, correct? Correct? Yes, sir?
Ma'am, he is playing, ma'am.
That's what, then wrong for you. One answer will be wrong for you.
Irritate பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க
Tell
ma'am.
me correctly, hot, hot, which is the right answer?
H-O-T.
H-O-T, hot. Okay, good. Next is Hashini.
Farnas, ma'am. J-A-M. Jam.
J-A-M, jam. Okay, Farnaz, next one.
சொல்லு.
After Farnaz, who is there? Be ready.
D-O.
D-O-G.
சொல்லு ஃபர்னாஸ்.
This is the correct answer, ma. D-O-G, D-I-G or D-A-N?
G.
D-O-G, dog. Very good, Farnaz. Next is, who is next to her, Farnaz? Hashini over, Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the spelling for this image.
B-A-G.
Very good. Bag. Very good. Karthikeyan.
Mo'admat.
Huh?
Mo'admat.
What is the spelling? M-A-T, M-A-P or M-U-G?
Mo'ad.
Which one, ma? First one, second one or the third one?
First one, second and third one.
First one.
Very good. First one. Thank you so much, ma. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. What is the spelling for this picture?
Net.
Spelling. Spelling சொல்லுங்க. N-E-T.
Net.
Very good. N-E-T, net. Very good. Okay, next is after Kavyani. Nighting.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
S-I-T.
Very good, Nighting. S-I-T, sit. Okay. Mithila. Mithila, which is the correct answer, mind this?
This is a bag.
Very good. This is a bag. Okay, Nukshita. Which is the correct answer here?
Which one?
Nukshita.
Yes and
My big is. Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
no, ma'am. Nukshita is carrying. Yes.
Yes, sir. My biggest car. My car is big. My car big. Which is the right answer? First one, second one, or the third one?
My car is bigger. My car bigger.
My bag is big.
My car is big. Very good, Nukshita. Okay, after Nukshita, Pranita. 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 Okay, Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, Rohita. Which is the
Answer.
right answer? I like to play. I like play. I do like play.
I like to play.
Very good, Rohita. I like to play. Very good. Okay, next is
Exams.
after Rohita, Ritvik. My ball, that is my ball.
That is my ball.
Very
That
good.
is my
That is
ball.
my ball. Very good, children. I'm really very proud of you, children. Next is after Ritvik, Satvika. Satvika. Satvika Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. This is the correct answer. We go to park. We go park. We too go park.
We go to park.
Very good, Satvika. We go to park. Very good. Siddharth.
Potato salad.
Very good. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the initial sound? Cab.
Cup.
C, D or E? Which is the correct answer?
Cup.
Ka means
Cup.
D. This one. DAB. Dap.
இது கரெக்டா
Huh?
இது கரெக்டா
No.
Correct answer. This one.
C. C.
Okay, this is
No.
C. Very good. Thank you, Siddharth. Karnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct answer.
Pen and pin.
What I should write? R, L or P?
P.
P. Very good. Next is Vivan. What I should do? M, N or L?
M.
M. Very good. Vidyut. M. Sorry. Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Dad.
சவுண்டே பரி
Dad.
Jar. What I should write here? G, T or J? G for jar.
இந்த
Huh?
பரை எந்தது எந்த வரும்
D.
G. G, A, R, Jara. Chucho. Just around. Jam. J. What answer you clicked in that assessment? I don't know. Okay, next is Vishank.
Ishank, what is this?
God.
What is this?
Garbage.
What, ma? Bin. What will you choose?
Pin.
What alphabet?
What did I choose?
B.
B. Very good, ma. Vishank.
Tapped, ma'am.
It is after Mithila.
Chair.
Chair. What diagram you have to choose?
Check.
Chair means what? NG, CH or PH?
Cat.
Very good. PH. Good. Okay, next is Vishank. Tell me the diagram for this. Sheep.
Sheep. என்ன sound start
What I
ஆகுது?
should choose?
Sheep.
PH or NG?
S.
Very good. SH. Next is Nightic. King. What diagram I should choose? NG, good. Farnas. 3. What diagraph I should choose?
CX.
Very good. Next is Dev Krish. Cherry, what diagraph I should choose?
Cherry.
Cherry. CH. Finally, before submitting, check it and submit it, children. Okay. Hope you all have done your assessment very well. Thanks for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.